Ladies and gentlemen, her.
Hello, ANNUR here. May I help you? Oh, you want to do a reservation? Okay. On 5th May, right? 10:30 a.m. Alright. What kind of treatment that you want to do? Okay, facial treatment. Okay, can I have your name? Phone number? Alright. Email and city. Okay, see you soon. Thank you. Hello, ANNUR here. May I help you? Oh, you want to do a reservation? Okay. On 15 May at 2 p.m. Alright. What kind of treatment do you want to do? Pedicure, manicure. Okay, can I have your name? Email? Phone number? And city. Okay, see you soon. Thank you. Oh my god, I have a lot of appointments this week. I need to review all the appointment days to make sure there are no overlap appointments. It's gonna be good if I have a proper system to do all these things. Wait a minute. I just remembered that my friend gave me a company number that can help me with my problem. It is called what? Data Pirates. Alright. Okay, I need to call Data Pirate right now.
Nama kau bunga.
Assalamualaikum. Yes, morning.
Waalaikumsalam, morning. May I speak with the development manager of Data Pirates?
Yes, Dr. Farid speaking. Can I help you, miss?
Okay, I am the owner of ANNUR.
Okay, ANNUR. Okay.
Currently, I have a problem with my appointment scheduling system.
Okay, can you tell me more about your company? Yes, your detail. I mean your current system. Okay.
My company using manual scheduling system to record customer appointments, also to track employee present.
Oh, manually?
Due to this, my company has encountered problems with overlap appointment. My customers also complain because they need to wait a long time to do their treatment.
Okay.
So I need your help to build a proper system to record all the appointments.
Okay, you don't have to worry, miss. I will discuss with my teams and inshallah we can develop a new system for you.
Okay, I put trust in your team.
Yeah. But can I call you in 2 weeks? Yeah, because I need to do a discussion first with my team. Yes. Okay? Okay, no problem.
Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum. See you another 2 weeks.
Okay, waalaikumsalam. I need to have a meeting as soon as possible. We have a lot of works to do.
Jason. Jason NURUL.
Get jazzy on.
Sorry guys, I'm late. Okay, we can proceed with our meeting. Okay, yesterday the owner of ANNUR have called me and she's already explained about their current system, which is their appointment scheduling system. They use a manual system, so they need us to do one systems for their company. So, okay, let me explain some of the details. So, I already have a plan. Why not if we build a system which is appointment scheduling system, they will key in all the data in the computer. So, the owner of the company can key in their customers' data everywhere and anytime, as long as she's logged in with our system. So that's my plan. What do you think?
I agree with you, and I will use the Microsoft Access for the database software on this new system.
So set, we will do online appointment scheduling system. I already tell the owner of the ANNUR Spa to give us a time, which is 2 weeks. Maybe next week we will have another meetings to discuss more about the details that you guys have to. Okay?
Okay.
So I think that's all for our meeting today. Anything, just call me or you can message me. So see you next week. Okay, thank you. Okay, since everyone is here, we can proceed with our meeting. Okay, we start with our system programmer, Ms. FATIHah. Can you present for us what you have done within this 1 week?
Morning everyone, I will proceed the presentation with the entity relationship diagram, which also known as ERD of the system. Firstly, this new system will consist of 6 tables, namely schedule, employee, customer, beautician, appointment, and service. The relationship for schedule to employee, schedule to beautician, and appointment to service is many to one. On the other side, the relationship for employee to appointment, customer to appointment, and beautician to appointment is one to many. As we can see here, schedule table, there are schedule ID, employee ID, beautician ID, beautician time in, and beautician time out. This employee table, they have employee ID, employee first name, employee last name, and employee phone. Next, we can see the customer table. Under this table, there are customer ID, customer first name, customer last name, customer gender, customer phone, customer email, and customer city. For the beautician table, we have the beautician ID, beautician name, beautician phone, and service ID. Then we move on to appointment table. They have appointment ID, employee ID, service ID, customer ID, customer time in, customer time out, and beautician ID. Finally, for the service table, under the table they have service ID, service name, service price, service duration hour, and service duration minute. Next, I will explain the query for this system. We have 10 queries on this access database. For the first query is query appointment from 1 March until 15 March, so that the owner of ANNUR Spa can see the total of their customer from 1 March until 15 March. So the other queries are appointment assigned to beautician, appointment recorded by employee, customer from Alosta or Jitra, customer service, total appointment handled by beautician, total minutes, total reservation handled by employee, total service price, and finally the total service provided. Using queries can help automate the data management tasks, summarize the data, and also get engaged in calculation. Then I will explain about the reports. A report consists of information that is pulled from tables or queries, as well as information that is stored with the report design, such as labels, headings, and graphics. I already generate 12 reports in this new system. I will show you guys one of these reports as example. First, this is appointment assigned to beautician report. As we can see here, there is ANNUR Spa's logo as a header, and also the details, which are appointment ID, service ID, beautician ID, and beautician name. So, other than appointment assigned to beautician report, we have appointment recorded by employee report, appointment report, customer report, customer service report, schedule report, services report, total appointment assigned to beautician, total minutes of each employee report, total reservation for each employee report, total service price report,
and finally total service provided report. All these reports are a great way to organize and present data from our access database to our client, so it can help our client to overcome their problems. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Good. I think it's good, and we already fulfill all the requirements that our customers want. Okay, now we proceed with Mr. Ajmal. Mr. Ajmal, can you present for us your progress?
I have created the interface design for the system. Let me explain it one by one. The first interface that pop up when the users open the appointment scheduling system is the login interface. The login interface is a security safeguard that only allows authorized employees to log into the system. The employees need to key in their username and password in order to access the system. After the employee log into the system, the menu interface will be displayed. This interface lets the users to interact with the computer through a series of features. The appointment scheduling system's main menu have 5 features to access, which is search, add new appointment, calendar view, maintenance, and export. There is also a logout features if the user wants to exit the system. The first feature on the main menu is search. The search features is used to search a data source in the system. For ANNUR di ANGGUN SPA, this features is to search appointments that have been reserved in the system through the service type, start date, and end date. This feature will help user to search the reserved appointment efficiently. The second feature on the main menu is add new appointment. This feature enables users to add new appointment for a new customer and also existing customer. The user needs to key in all the requirement data in order to add a new appointment. The component must be filled is service that the customer wish to book, employee ID, reservation date, reservation time, customer ID, and save it. While to add a new customer, the employee need to fill in the add new customer field, which is customer's first name, last name, gender, phone number, and email. The third feature is the calendar view. It shows the calendar by day, week, or month. The calendar is synchronized with other calendars. When the employees receive online bookings from the customer, the employees only need to insert the appointment details in the appointment scheduling system calendar, and the system will automatically confirm or deny depending on availability. The system passes all these sources in real time and will eliminate double bookings. The system also has export features that help the user send the email confirmation or reminder to the customer about their appointments. Besides, it also has a print features if the employee wants to print it as a hard copy. Next, the maintenance interface. The maintenance interface consists of 3 features, which is appointment types, contacts, and user login. The appointment types feature will organize the appointment schedule with color coding to make it more visually appealing. This feature helps the users to identify what type of services to be performed at the appointment time. Next, the contacts feature. If the user encounters any difficulties during the appointment scheduling process, the user can click the contact features and see our 24/7 customer care line. Contacts feature is built to solve any problem faced by the employee while using the system. The user login features created to know how much employee can access the system to add a new appointment, edit, or visualization permissions for the calendar and appointments. It will show the name of the employee that will be assigned, username, and their password. Lastly, the export features. This feature set up what kind of appointment confirmation text that will be sent to the customer through an email. The confirmation emails are sent when the appointment is confirmed. This email will remind the customer about the appointment and provide a link to the online schedule.
Okay, great. I think everything just nice, just like what they want us to do. So now I want both of you to send the file through my email, and I will send it to our client as soon as possible. Okay, once our job is done, I will tell both of you, and anything I just call him. Okay? Okay, nice. Thank you, everyone. Hi, Assalamualaikum.
Hi, Waalaikumsalam.
How are you, Miss? Are you feeling better now?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm feeling better now.
Are you okay if we just proceed virtually?
Sure, no problem.
Okay, I already submit the file through your email. Have you get it?
Yes, I already get it.
Okay, in that files, include the interface in our system that we developed to you. And also a little bit report about the system.
Alright.
Okay, so now I will explain to you about the overview, the flow of the system. Okay, so I will present it to you. I will share the slide to you, okay?
Okay.
So, the first business process is reservation department. As we know, in this department, employee will receive a reservations from the customer. So, as usual, the employee will record the reservation detail such as customer ID, service selected, date and time of the appointment in the database system. So, all the detail will be established in the reservation records for beautician use. But first of all, the employee who manage the reservation must ensure the new reservation is not clash with the existing reservations. After reservation is done, an email attached with reservation detail will be sent to the customer. Next is service department. In the service department, the beautician will recheck the date and time of the reservation and also the service received by the customer. When the customer arrives, beautician must ensure reservation detail are correct by checking the email received by the customer. If all details are fine, then the customer will assign into a spa room for the service. And last but not least, a business process in cash receipt department. After the service has done, the customer will pay for the service. So the employee in the cash receipt department will prepare an invoice to the customer based on the service that they had been done. So the invoice copy and reservation detail are filed in the supporting document file by the employee.
So far so good, miss? Or do you have any suggestions or improvement that you want us to do?
It is great. I love this new system. It will help my team a lot.
Okay, great. So inshallah by maybe next week you can come to our company and we will sign a contract about the system.
Alright, sure. Thank you for your amazing system and your team.
Okay, nice. Thank you, miss. Okay, take care. Bye. Assalamualaikum.
Bye. Waalaikumsalam. See you soon.